Yeah, F002 and F12. F12 already means it tried and tried.
Yeah.
That's locked out. Now it's locked out. It's got to get programmed, or a computer's got to go on there.
Ito laging problema sa wiper eh. Pag nag-build up na ng ice blade, lalo kong hindi makikita eh. Hey guys, good morning. Nandito ako ngayon sa Winkler Yard dahil yung load, instead na dadalhin ko siya sa Edmonton today, binago nila yung plan, pinadala sa akin dito sa Winkler Yard dahil meron akong load pabalik ng Ohio, Lancaster, Ohio. So now, meron akong in-order from Amazon. Yeah, maganda to siya. Matagal na to sa akin. I think napapansin nyo, merong minsan nakadagay dito. Ngayon ko lang siya bubuksan. And then pupunta ako dun sa opisina. Magtataka sila sa akin kung sino ako. Dahil itong in-order ko na ito, i-unbox natin. Mukha ito ng matanda. Look at that. May mga balahibo pa. Mukha ito ng matanda, guys. Diba? Ngayon, siyempre magtataka sila, sino to pumasok. Maglalagay lang ako ng shade. Ang pangit pa ng itsura, kapal ng kilay, then bigote puti na. Maglalagay ako ng shade, tapos mukha talaga siyang matanda. Look at that. Diba? Tataka sila, sino tong driver na to at hindi namin kilala. So mamaya, susuot ko to dun sa loob. Then tatanggalin ko lang muna tong aking mga lashing dito sa likod, aking mga kadina, tapos ilan to kadina? 4, 6, 6 na kadina at 2 strap. Pero try ko muna. Hindi ako makakita. Parang sobrang ano no, sa mata. Ang bibig nito. Sobrang bibig. May ganyan kasi. Lalagay ko itong aking sa ano. Hindi ako makakita masyado sa mata. This lights can't action over here, boy. Yeah. Masyado siyang ano dito, dikit. Sa mata ko. So hindi masyadong halata. Lalagyan nila ko ng shade kasi mahalata siya. Wala akong makikita. muna kasi wala akong makikita sa loob. Hindi ako makahinga. Pweh! Tingnan ko muna yung picture. Sakit dito yung mata niya. Itong sa loob, tumatama siya sa loob. Itong dito banda, tumatama siya dito sa loob. Pero yeah, okay na rin to. Magtataka sila, sino kaya itong hayop na to nandito? In-order ko siya sa Amazon, I think nasa $30 yata to. Pero magbabaklas muna ako sa likod. Mamaya ko to sila dadalihin dito sa opisina. Magtatakayan sila sino tong pumasok dito sa yard na hindi naman driver ng Q-Line. Gusto na ako dito. Susuot ko na, papasok ko sa loob. Alright.
I emailed that one off to you as well yesterday, so but let me
Yeah, he told me that too. It's not like this road is underneath and into the barn.
Oh, so
He told me that too. What are you doing, Marco? Trying to scare us?
Buying something like pretend to be an old man.
I thought you were an old man at first.
Already?
I was like, that's pretty pale skin.
Anyways. Failed or error in Webasto. I tried to start it. There's FM02, FM12.
Oh yeah. Did you come out of the US?
Yeah.
You got number 1 fuel in there and it froze up.
Oh, that's really?
Yeah. If you fuel it with number 2 fuel, because that little hose still stays full. Make sure when you fuel it with winter fuel that you're on your Webasto at least for 5 minutes, because that little line will freeze up. Because that's a frozen line. It's flame out. F12 already means it tried and tried.
Yeah.
That's locked out. Now it's locked out. It's got to get programmed, or a computer's got to go on there.
So you can fix that one?
I can't.
What?
I don't have the computer. It has to be done by a certified Webasto dealer.
Oh,
Plug
no.
it in and to reset it. You can hard reset it by pulling the fuse. You can't get lucky. That's all luck.
Napagawa ko na yung Webasto dahil walang bank heater yung truck. Yung aking mga tubig, yung aking nilagay ng mga pagkain, mga banana at saka strawberry nandito na frozen lahat. So, si Pedro hindi siya authorized na mag-reset ng Webasto. Yung Webasto kasi, yun yung may maliit na tawag doon, maliit na knob. I-on mo lang siya, i-set mo yung temperature mo, then i-run mo lang yung Webasto. So meron ka ng bank heater dito. May ano sa nasa ilalim ng higaan, may bank heater siya. Para ang heater ko dito sa loob, sa paa, sa windshield. Then yung bank heater naman siya naman po-provide, lalo pag matutulog ka, siya po-provide ng init doon dito sa likod. What if my fuel lines are gel? What should I do?
Yeah, it's got to get thawed out in a warm environment, like inside here.
No, I mean if I was on the highway and my fuel lines are gel, so
Can't do anything about it.
how about the 911?
Doesn't help.
Doesn't help?
Those little lines, like that's for your truck, yeah. But for your Webasto?
Oh, no, for my truck, I mean.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Can I use the 911?
Yeah.
And then what should I do with the 911? Where should I put the 911? On the fuel tank?
Yeah.
The fuel tank?
Yeah.
Not in the fuel filter, no?
No, straight into the fuel tank.
That's a small one, right?
Yeah.
Then is that half and half?
Yeah. And if it gels up where it actually starts stuttering or it wants to stall on you, then I do a full jug.
Mm-hmm.
Each tank one.
So how should I know that my fuel lines are gel?
Oh, you'll feel it.
It won't start.
Yeah, and you lose power.
Okay.
Check engine lights will come on.
Oh, the check engine lights will come out?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Linisin ko muna itong aking lagyan tigas na, oh. Lalagyan ko ng bagong grasa. So I'm gonna drive there?
Yeah, do you know where
yeah,
that
yeah.
is? You've been there before?
Yeah, one time.
Okay. Yeah, they're waiting for you.
Okay.
Open the door for you.
Thank you. Hey.
Hi.
I was scheduled to go here.
Yeah. Okay, now I'll get somebody who can give you a hand there right away.
Mm-hmm. Let's just park here though, outside.
That's
Okay, I'll wait there.
Okay.
What is the cost for that one? It's FM12.
I'm not sure. FM12 is the code.
It says there FM12, FM02, like that.
It can be flame failure, flame out.
Yeah, flame out.
That can be caused by gelled up fuel.
Out of fuel lines?
Out of fuel, or if the fuel has gelled up.
Oh, okay. Guys, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo na ang lisensya nyo dito sa Canada ay Class 5, yung pangkotse. Pwede kayo mag-drive ng ganito. Ang tawag dito ay 5 ton. Ito ay hydraulic, hindi siya air brake. Ito ay, pag wala na siyang trailer, ang tawag dito ay Class 3. Okay? Yung mga Class 3 holder dito sa Canada, pwede kayo mag-drive nito basta walang trailer. Pag may trailer na siya, that's Class 1. Kasi ang Class 3 ay 10-wheeler. Pwede ka dito. So Class 3 na to na code ng license. Pero ito ay Class 5 na lisensya. Kasi hindi to siya air brake. Ito ay hydraulic. Napapansin nyo to? Lahat ng, I don't know kung sa ibang truck meron isang ito. Ito yung pang-catch ng trailer. Pag masyadong lowered, ika-catch niya dito. Ito ay, I think, improvised na or ginawa na ng Q-line. Kasi pag binili itong truck, hindi kasama to. So, dinugtungan nila na ng frame, lalagyan ng, frame ng hanger ng kadina. Then, nilagyan nila ng ganito. Ito, pag-catch ng trailer, galing dito, ka-catch niya all the way papunta doon sa fifth wheel. Yan ang tawag na fifth wheel, di ba? So meron kaming pang-catch. Kahit naka-lowered na siya, pwede niya i-catch yun. Hanggang doon. So I think gumagana na yung aking bank heater. Nagbo-bore na siya ng fuel. Kumukuha siya ng fuel dito. Yun o. Yung line na yan. Papunta doon sa equipment niya. So nagsisip-sip siya ng fuel dito. Now, ang nangyari, nag-freeze itong lines. Hindi siya makasip-sip ng fuel. Yung flame niya hindi makabuga dahil walang fuel. Yeah, meron na siyang buga doon. Gumagana na yung bank heater. Nagbo-burn na siya ng fuel ngayon. Kumukuha na siya ng fuel. Nag-iinit na siya. It's working now? Nice.
Yep. It did have a code for temperature sensor short circuit.
Okay.
So I just wanted to make sure that it would go up the temperature and stay there. And everything looked good, so.
So how can I prevent that it will not happen again? What should I do?
Oh, well, so the flame out one, there's nothing you can do about it, other than make sure you got good fuel in there.
Good fuel? Because the last time I get fuel from US.
In the US?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. I'm hearing a lot of guys are having issues with fuel this year.
In the US?
US and Canada.
Oh, in Canada also?
Unfortunately, Canada, you should never have to worry. Like when I used to drive, I never put anything in. Like no.
You were a driver before?
Yeah.
Oh. So you didn't put any conditioner in your fuel
Not
tank?
if I put Canadian fuel in, I never did.
Even if you're going to North?
Yeah, even if I went north,
Huh?
I never bothered. So if you're fueling in the U.S., and if you do end up putting in biodiesel, make sure you get
Conditioner?
non-biodiesel, or you put a lot of conditioner in.
Conditioner? Oh, okay. So you stopped driving now?
Yeah.
Why? You don't like the highways anymore?
Young family. I wanted to.
That's the reason.
I had 3 young kids at home, and it's like if I want to be there for them,
every night home. That's what also I'm thinking, because I'm away for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Then I get a little boy, always asking, "Hey, Dad, are you coming home?" Oh, not now. It's hard.
Yeah, see, and when I was driving, I was usually only gone for 2-3 nights at a time.
2-3 nights.
Yeah, but
not bad.
Even then,
Yeah.
You're home for 2 nights, and then you're gone for 2-3 nights, and you're home for 1 or 2 nights, and that's just like.
Yeah, it's hard.
Still hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
So, no,
you miss all those birthdays.
You miss the birthdays. You miss their
anniversaries.
Yeah, you miss their school plays.
School.
You
Yeah.
You miss so much. No, I had the chance to get off the road. I stayed with the same company. Like I was driving here. I was able to stay here, and even at that time when I was driving, I was part-time mechanic over here. So then it got busy enough that I didn't need to be on the road anymore. Stayed busy here. And,
yeah. Do you stay here in winter? You're from Winkler?
Moved here quite a few years ago. Initially from Mexico.
So I'm good now?
Yeah, I'm just going to grab mileage.
Okay,
and
sure.
then,
Good to go? What's your name?
Jake.
Nice talking to you, Jake.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, what was your name again?
Marco.
Marco?
Yeah, Marco.
Where are you from?
What is that?
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Okay.
And ito yung bank heater. Ito yung sinasabi ko na naka-install dito sa truck. Ito yung magbibigay sa akin ng init during nakapatay yung makina, or kahit hindi nakapatay yung makina, nagbibigay siya ng init. So yung switch niya nandito sa taas. Ito yung switch niya. Yan. So hindi lahat ng truck na merong bank heater. Yung iba, I don't know kung anong tawag dun sa kanila. So I don't know kung ano yung ginawa niya dito. Daming mga wires. Dapat nakatali ito eh. So yung aking mga tubig nag-frozen lahat. Oh, ice. Kasi dito ko nilalagay sa ilalim ng higaan itong aking mga tubig. But nag-frozen silang lahat. Ang tinatawag na olala. So I think okay na siya. Ayos na. Mahirap pag walang bank heater. Lalo pag gabi at sobrang lamig. Ninigas ka. So ayusin ko muna to. Linisin ko muna. Ayusin ko ulit ng mga gamit ko. Yung aking TV nakaganyan na lang siya dahil tatamaan eh. Galing pa naman sa aking anak to. Anyways, mamaya uli. ni nahulog ni Raj Cargo ya gabi hulog sa ditch. Nasa Wisconsin ako ngayon and nandito palang storm. Nakasunod ako sa storm area hanggang Madison. Wow hanggang pulang pula, may ice. Oh my god, nandito pala ang storm. Ulala. Oh my god, pulang pula oh. Ulala. Oh my god, ang laki man. Oh my god. Diyos mio, Marimar, Chicago. Oh, tuara. Agoy. Paingon og kuan. Ontario. Agoy. Pastilan. Muna gingon ron, may awa na. Pastilan. Sus, ulan, ice, saka snow. Patay na ron. Ito yung challenge ngayon. Yung aking wiper blade ayaw makakuha, ayaw linisin ng mabuti yung aking screen dahil ang pumapatak ngayon na snow ay with snow. Kahit bilisan mo siya, may naiiwan pa rin sa screen. Pero meron ako sinusundan ngayon. Halos ang makita ko na lang yung ilaw niya. Pero naka-on yung aking driving assistance para makita ko yung distance namin dalawa, siya at saka sa position ko ngayon. Medyo malayo-layo nga lang ako ngayon sa kanya dahil nga just in case magka problema sa unahan, meron akong enough na space, meron akong enough na seconds, may enough akong time para mag-react kung ano aking gagawin. Yun tinatawag na plan B. Ano bang gagawin pag nagkaroon ng pile up? Anong gagawin mo? Wala na akong makita, puro na ayos ang aking wiper. I need to stop. Linisan ng windshield, linisan ng wiper. Kasi pag ganitong situation, delikado. Kaso, nasaan ang truck stop? Ay, hindi ko alam yung aking position. Hindi ko alam yung aking area. Okay, na-I truck stop 4 miles. Okay, let's stop here. Yeah, let's stop. Hinahanap akong wiper, tensioner ng wiper. Kagaya nito ngayon, nakahang na siya dahil mayroon na siyang ice. May tensioner na binibinda sa mga truck stop, pero ubusan. Kasi kung meron siya na siyang tensioner, ididiin niya ng husto yung blade, ma-wipe niya talaga ng husto. Ito ngayon, ano na siya, nakalutang na dahil meron na siyang mga ice sa blade niya. Yan o, wala talagang, I don't know if nakikita nyo, but wala, aninag na lang yung nakikita ko sa kalsada. Merong truck stop, merong rest area. I don't know how far ang rest area na yan, but yeah. Side wala. Maps. Alala, lalo na wala makita mo. 2.8 kilometer. 2.8 kilometer, okay? Sa screen. Okay, 2 kilometer. Meron ako sasagan sa unahan, 4.1 seconds, 42.77 meters. Getting closer. Malapit ako sa kanya. Rest area 1 mile. That's good. Oh lala. Malapit ako sa sasakyan. 60 meters. Bumabagal siya. Oh my god. Nag-ice na talaga siya. Okay, 1.3. Nag-ice na siya. Wala na akong makita. Kaya una na kayo. 800 meters. I-exit na ako. Exit then. My God. 550. Problema sa wiper eh. Pag nag-build up na ng ice sa blade, hindi siya malinis ng gusto. So 160. I don't know if tutuloy kong biyahe. Check ko muna dito sa weather network. Wala, grabe ng snow. Kita nyo, yan, kapal na ng snow. Ice. Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya to. So kailangan kong tumawag sa opisina. Inform sila na hindi ko kaya yung appointment bukas, pangit ang panahon. Ano? Ulit. Kita nyo yung ano? Kita nyo yung kapal. Pulang-pula. Laki ng storm. Yan o. Ulit, isa pa. Chicago. Grabe. Well, yeah, decide na ako. Dito na ako magpapalipas ng gabi. Try ko kaya magpalipad ng drone kung kaya ba. Ayoko na i-gamble yung aking safety. Yeah, call for night. Bahala na. Tomorrow. Kung anong kalalabasan nitong biyaheng ito. Sleeper berth na ako. Mahirap yung safety. I-gamble yung safety doon dahil ang kalaban ko lagi dito yung wet snow. Tapos nagbe-build up siya ng ice screen. Tapos yung aking wiper nagbe-build up siya ng ice doon. Lalo kung hindi makikita yung highway. Tapos ganito kakapal na medyo nagfa-fog na siya. Fog tapos lakas ng snow. Tumigil na rin sila. So marami kami dito. Mga ilang truck kami dito na nakatigil ngayon. So call for night na ako ngayon. Ayoko na itakbo to dahil walang tigil ang snow. And mahirap mag-gamble ng safety. Mahirap magkaroon ng pile-up dyan sa unahan tapos nandoon ka sa pile-up. So there's another day tomorrow naman. I don't care kung ma-delayed yung aking delivery or hindi makuha ng Google itong aking load. I don't care. Ang importante yung safety ko. Safety ng ibang road user. Safety ng lahat. Kasi pag nagkamali ako, malaki yung truck, nagkamali ako, nawala ako sa line ko, nagkaroon ako ng problema, nakabangga ako, nakapatay ako, dito ako sisintensyahan sa Amerika. Hindi na ako makabalik ng Canada. So, mas mainam pang, yeah, there's another day tomorrow, di ba? Mahirap pilitin ang panahon pag Mother Nature na yung rumagasa. Mahirap pilitin yan, lalo na ngayon na with snow na siya, oh. May kasama na siyang tubig. So ang kalsada niyan magkakaroon ng compact. Ngayon hindi makapaglinis ngayon yung mga truck dahil nga tuloy-tuloy ang buhos ng snow. Makapaglinis sila, mamaya tambak na naman yung snow doon. So nothing makes sense, no? So bukas na lang titigil naman to eh. Sisikat at sisikat din yung araw. So anyway, daghang salamat. Hanggang dito na lang tong vlog. And I don't know kung anong meron bukas. Daghang salamat. Keep safe. Pag-amping mo, Pinoy, keep on track.